Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check graphics card on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To check the graphics card of your laptop, we're gonna have to go to the Start menu, then go to Settings, then go to System on the sidebar and scroll all the way down to About section. Here in the About section, check the graphics card menu. Well, as you can see, there is no precise name for your graphics card since there is no discrete graphics card in your computer. It is integrated into your processor, which is, in my case, AMD Ryzen 7. So these AMD graphics are integrated into the processor. And the other way that we can check our GPU along with the resource usage graph is by right-clicking the taskbar, go into Task Manager, and then opening the Performance section. And here we're going to have to select GPU on the sidebar. And here we can check all the specifications related to our graphics card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.